When we work, our brain's default position is to simplify things on the assumption that all things are fair and equal. For example, what's your gut reaction when you're told that you have 10 clients to manage and you have 10 hours to do it in? Take a few seconds to think. Well, if you're like most of us, you would jump to the assumption that it should be fair and equal, and that each client should be allocated 1 hour each. Fair and equal. The Pareto Principle, 80-20 rule, teaches us never to assume and to jump to such conclusions. There's almost always an unequal relationship between inputs and outputs. So back to our example, what's likely to be the case is that just 2 of these clients will generate 80% of the value to your organisation. Now, we're not saying that you should ignore 8 of these clients, but we are saying that you need to focus in on these relationships and treat them very differently. So the number one takeaway from the Pareto Principle is to always focus on the 20% where you and your organisation can add most value.